Okay, let's crack on with question 9. So we've been given a right pyramid has vertex apex V and a rectangular base ABC, and it's given us some lengths here. So we're told that AB is 8 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters, and VA is 13 centimeters. Now, what we need to do here is split this into some triangles. So we need to split it into this triangle here, which is a right angled triangle. If we draw over at the side and mark the points A, B, C, it's a right angle there. That's 8 and that's 6. And then we also need this triangle here, which goes like this. This triangle, which is here, which is also a right angle triangle. And it's M, it's A, it's V, it's 13. Okay, but what we notice is that M is halfway along AC. So if we work out the length AC, we would know this length here, and we could use Pythagoras Theorem to work out the height BM. So basically this is to use Pythagoras Theorem twice. So if we use Pythagoras Theorem, this would be our little a, this would be little b, this would be little c. So Pythagoras Theorem based off this triangle would be b squared equals a squared plus c squared. Now I know that's not normally how you see Pythagoras Theorem, but I've just constructed it from the hypotenuse being the longest side AC, and b is that hypotenuse. So then we've got 8 squared plus 6 squared, which equals 100. So b squared is equal to 100, so that means b equals 10. Therefore AM must be 5. So that means we can write 5 here. Okay? So now we can use Pythagoras Theorem on this, and so we can call this one little m, this one little a, this one little v. So m squared is equal to a squared plus v squared. So m is 13, so that's 13 squared equals a squared, which is, we don't know, it's vm squared because that's what we want, and this one here is 5 squared. So 13 squared is 169, which is equal to Vm all squared, which, oops, that shouldn't be an equals, there should be a plus. Plus 5 squared, which is, 5 squared is 25. So we now do 169, take away 25 is equal to 144. Now we do the square root, so 12 is equal to Vm, and that's our first answer. That'll be 12 centimeters. Calculate the volume of the pyramid. Now this is just a simple formula. If we have a look at the geometry and trigonometry in topic 5 section, you see the volume of the pyramid is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So volume is 1/3 times A times H, which is 1/3 times 8 times 6 times 12. So let's do that. So 12 times 8 times, so 12 times 8 times 6, divide it by 3 to give me 1/3, and it gives me 192. So that's 192 cubic centimeters. So this is just basically an application of Pythagoras Theorem twice. So we worked out the black triangle first to give me AC. From there, we halved that to give me the length AM, which is on the red triangle. We used the 2 lengths there and worked out the missing side to give 12 to be the height. Then from the height, we used the formula for the volume of a pyramid to calculate the volume, which was 192 cubic centimeters. And that's question